Hi, I'm Sarah Renae Clark. My goal is to help people like you learn to be more creative in your everyday life. I want to thank you for taking a moment to check out my channel. In late August 2020, I realized that I wasn't doing enough to help you tap into your undiscovered creativity. That creativity that you were born with. And so I made it my goal to use the rest of 2020 to help you rediscover your creative self and unlock your potential to live with more confidence, more ideas, and to dream big. So I have committed to creating a new video every week on this channel, teaching you how to get started and how to create something amazing. Even if you're stuck in that feeling that you're not a creative person, because I know that you are. And when you can embrace your natural creativity, it flows into every part of your life. You become more confident, you start dreaming up big ideas again, you feel less anxious about what others think of you or the fear of failing, and you get excited for the potential of what you can achieve. If this sounds like you, then you're in the right place. And while I don't have many videos up yet, we're just getting started. So please join me on this creative journey. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know every time I release a new video for you. I'm really excited to get to know you and see what you can accomplish. Thank you for allowing me to be a part of your journey.